Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's new with you? So I recently got a haircut, did a bedroom makeover, and have been experimenting with clean beauty. So what is clean beauty? Well, clean beauty range of products are formulated without parabens, phthalates, silicones, dyes, perfumes, and other toxic ingredients. It's better for you, better for the environment, better for your body.
One such clean beauty brand is Honest Beauty.
I've been trying out some Honest Beauty products from Target and I've been loving it. So I thought it would be fitting to try a makeup tutorial by Jessica Alba herself, the founder of Honest Beauty. So today's video is going to be a no makeup look by Jessica Alba, which she did for British Vogue a couple of months ago. I don't have all the products that she used, so I'm going to try and substitute it with similar products. Let's get started. So her first step is to use a moisturizer with some glow primer mixed in it. So here I'm going to use the Glassy Skin Balm from Touch & Sol, which is a primer and it is also very hydrating, so I won't be needing a moisturizer. And before it sets, she's using a massager to massage her face. Now I don't have the same massager, so I'm going to substitute it with a jade roller.
This feels very relaxing. It also helps to get the blood flowing and reduce the puffiness.
The massager that she uses is the Nurse Jamie New Vibe Massager. It costs $95 at Sephora. I definitely want to try it someday because she is 38 but she looks like a teenager, so she must be doing something right, isn't it? Next up is foundation. Now Honest Beauty currently sells only cream foundations. They're still formulating the liquid ones. I have normal to dry skin and I normally tend to use liquid foundations, but this one was pretty creamy and buttery and it's blended very easily on my skin without making it flaky. The shade I have is Camel. It also comes with a little sponge, but I wasn't able to blend well with it. I tried using it dry and wet, but it wasn't very effective. So I like to use a stippling brush or a damp beauty blender with it. The shade Camel, it looks dark in the pan, but it's actually pretty light.
This is a very soft stippling brush from Real Techniques. You can also use a sponge to blend it easily. I love the natural finish of this foundation.
The formula is very buildable, so if you need full coverage, you can get it from this foundation. But I prefer to apply a very light layer and make it look like skin. Some of my spots are still peeking through because I didn't really want to make it full coverage. For a no makeup look, I feel some of your skin should show through. Okay, so next up is blush. So for blush, I'm going to use this one from M Cosmetics. This blush is formulated without any toxic ingredients and it also has skincare ingredients in it. Next up is eyebrows. I'm going to use the one from NYX. This is not a clean beauty, but I couldn't find a good replacement. Have you seen the latest eyebrow trend? It's called fox eyes, where they shave off the ends of the eyebrow and make it go up like this to give an eye lift. What are your thoughts on that? I don't think I'll be trying it. Nah.
Time to curl the lashes.
I'm going to use this mascara from Tarte. It's called Big EGO. Start from the base and go zigzag up, or just keep it at the base and blink. Look at the difference. Next, she's using a concealer. Here I'm using the Vasanti VO2 color correcting concealer.
The foundation has already brightened up my under eyes, so I'll be using very little concealer. Now for some bronzer from the Tarte palette.
So she takes a bronzer and first applies it under her neck.
Then some on the cheekbones, forehead and sides of the nose. Also a dash of bronzer on the eyelids. Then she uses the Honest Beauty Balm under the eyes and on the cheekbones.
That's a good tip. For the lips, I'm going to choose
Honest Beauty Lip Crayon in Peony.
It's a demi-matte lip crayon. It glides easily, it's buttery smooth, and I absolutely love it. Her final tip is to use a bit of primer on the areas where you naturally get shiny. So instead of using a powder, if you use a primer, it looks more subtle. So let's try that. I'm going to use my TATCHA primer. It's called the TATCHA Silk Canvas. So I normally powder my T-zone. All done! So this was Jessica Alba's no makeup look. I learnt quite a few tips and tricks, and I think it's a very pretty look to wear during the daytime. It's such a simple look. I literally never go anywhere without wearing eyeliner, so this is a very different look for me, and I quite like it. It's a very hydrated and glowy look, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching.
I'll see you in the next one.